Hey everyone, it's Max here. I just want to wish you all a happy new year, and as this is my first video of the year, I thought I'd make something special for you guys. So here's my Pennyboard modified with RGB color changing LED strip lights that I bought off Amazon and attached them on and wired them up. And in this video, I'll show you how to do that. So let's get started. First, take your skateboard and find out where you even want to place the LEDs, and then you'll find out what lengths to cut. These LED strips only offer you to cut on these copper markers, so you can't just cut wherever you want, only on those markers. Now we have 4 correctly cut LED strips. And guys, don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell not to miss any of my new videos. Okay, let's get back to the video. In order to solder each of the LED strips together that we've cut, we need to remove a bit of the silicone that covers the entire LED strip. Now let's stick the LEDs on. Be really careful when sticking these LED strips on, as you basically only have one chance when putting them on, and that tape on the back side of them is quite sticky, so if you screw up, you're gonna have a hard time peeling them off. Now before we start wiring each of the LED strips up, we gotta put a little bit of soldering lead so that the wires will stick a lot easier and faster. Now let's solder each wire to the corresponding color. So red to red, green to green, blue to blue, and positive to positive. Let's do a quick test connecting the LEDs to the wall so that we can see that everything works. Now let's connect a couple of these 5-volt cell phone batteries together, but to prevent them from short-circuiting, let's put a piece of cardboard in between them. Now you can see at the top of these batteries I soldered on a wire going from the positive terminal, and around the entire battery we have the negative terminal, so it should be pretty easy wiring them up. So wiring them up in series is basically positive to negative. Now let's crack open the RGB receiver box. As you can see, I already wired a couple of wires coming from the receiver component. Now let's wire one of those wires to the switch and another wire coming from the other terminal of the switch to the battery. Then connect the other wire from the battery to the other wire on the receiver. And now the circuit should be complete. You can see here I filed out a little gap so the wires can come out of the receiver box. And now let's put the receiver shell back together. Now we can glue everything down. So now we gotta figure out how to splash proof our battery. I figured out that the styrofoam sheet was simply too rigid and cracked really easily when I tried to bend it, so duct tape was the solution. It's not perfect, but it will do the trick. Okay, so now that we've finished LEDing up this Pennyboard right here, let's go test it out in the dark. Alright my friends, that's about it for this video. If you enjoyed it, feel free to give it a like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new. I would really like to see you guys put LED lights on your skateboard as well. Thanks for watching guys, see you next time, and Happy New Year. Peace!